boys and girls. This is Mrs. Whirling here. We have a really important assignment that we're going to do. So before we get started, I just wanted to explain it to you. So at the top, you're going to put your name in Cami. You're going to put the title of the book that you use. We are going to use Stand Tall, Molly Lou Mellon. You don't have to worry about the author portion. Now, you're going to draw a character from the story. So you could choose Molly Lou Mellon or you could choose Ronald Durkin. Then your job is to write 2 details to describe the character you drew. So if you write Molly Lou Mellon is, you would have to tell Mrs. Whirling a trait here and another trait here. And you have to give a reason. That's why it says because. So you're going to pick 2 inside traits for that character you chose. Write one of them here and here because, and explain why you think that those are 2 traits or 2 words to describe the character you selected. Then you're going to send it to me and I'm going to be super excited to read it. But keep in mind, in order to get all of the points for this really tough job that I know you're going to do so well at, you have to tell your character, you have to give 2 inside traits, and you have to explain why you think that. So, go ahead and do that job, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.